Hey guys, what's up? This is Dalia, the English coach, and today in this video I'm gonna learn you guys about how to speak or talk sound like the English or American native speaker. Speak or talk as a native speaker. Sometimes when you watch English or American movies or talk to a foreign people, you will be astonished or nod your head or smile because you couldn't get them, understand them, or absorb their language. Because their people or foreign people speak their mother language spontaneously, quickly, and cut out their words and connect the words between them like a one sentence. Let us see some examples for the native speakers and how to pronounce these words or sentence. 1. You, they say or pronounce this word ya, 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 doing. What are you doing? Don't say what are you doing. They will understand you. But say or pronounce the sentence what you doing, what you doing, or what are you doing, what are you doing, and how do you like, how do you like. Don't say how do you like. Who do you like, who do you like. Let me, it's wrong and they won't understand you. Say as a native speaker, let me see you in my house. Let me see you my house. Don't cha, it's wrong. Say don't you, don't cha, don't cha. He, type he, but say at them e. Has to, has ta. E has to go school. E has to go school. Have to, have to. You have to go work. You have to go work. Give me. It's wrong. Gimme your mobile. Gimme your mobile. I am Ama. And daughter. It's wrong. Daughter. My daughter. City. And say little. Peter. Thank you guys. If you want more videos about pronunciation as a native speaker, please leave your comments and tell me about that. Thank you. Let me, it's wrong and they won't understand you. Say as the native speaker, pronounce this word. Let me show you my house. Let me show you my house. I don't know. It's wrong. I don't know any informations. He, it's wrong. E. Has to, has ta. For example, E has to go school. E has to go school. Have to, have ta. You have to work. Sorry. You have to go work. Give me, it's wrong. Gimme your mobile. Got to, gotta. You gotta go. And kinda. I'm kinda busy. Out. Daughter, it's wrong. My daughter. City. Thank you guys. See you the next video. And if you want more videos about the pronunciation as a native speakers, please leave your comments. Thank you.